go on with a Jehuan. So like I need to have it peaceful.
Wrong by November.
Gugulethu.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, your girl, your favorite Friday, back on your screens on yet another Wednesday. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to also, like, what is this lighting? Sorry guys, before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But most importantly, don't forget to hit that little bell in your bottom right corner so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Also, please do follow me on all my social media platforms. It's my one day, guys. I don't know. Okay, that's better because anyway, sorry, hold on. Right. Yeah. Welcome back to a new vlog. Hasn't been that long. It's only been a week that I've been away from YouTube. Because I didn't edit my previous video in time, so I didn't upload. Anyway, today's Saturday, the 24th of September, Heritage Day. I hate the fact that this today is on a Saturday because we didn't get a public holiday. Same. But anyway, so today I have a lunch date with my boyfriend. Inginya, phone, and I mean, if I'm supposed to meet up with you, this is my phone. Yeah, but anyway, hopefully he'll call me whenever. So I wanted to start doing my face now, because he said we'll meet at 1-2, but it will depend on what we anyway, so I need to do that and then get dressed. I need to iron this shirt, but I have load shedding right now, but it's gonna come back in like a few minutes, I hope, like 15-20 minutes. So I'll iron when it comes back, and I need to straighten my hair somewhat. I just want to do like curls here in the front. Then I'll be done. Yeah, and then I need to pack my bag. What else do I need to do? Yeah, but that's what I'm doing today. I might go drop my sister and her friends off. I don't know. Yes, being a big sister is a lot of work. But anyway, it is what it is. So I just wanted to start this vlog and say, hey, what's baby? I cut my nails because they were lifting, or they were about to start lifting, and I'm for my injuries, so I just cut them until I remove them next week. Then get my new set. Yeah. So that's it. Right. Catch you later.
One eternity later.
Guys, gashes and shame. That's why I ended up not putting on lashes, because like they were not going to stick, if we're being honest. So I just got here. I'm about to go in. I feel like, yeah, I'm Michelle Parada. Serious. Oh my corgis. There's nothing they can do about it. Ah! What my hair sticking to my lips. Sorry guys. No lash look. Lip gloss because lipstick lashes. Let's go.
Why? Ubhekane nami ne?
Mina. Yes. Entrance like. What if I'm entering the wrong place? Say he's outside. I don't know where outside is. Oh, there. What's your pussy? Look at me, what?
Look at you. Let me get up and hug you. What's your name?
Your hair? Yes, I believe that. I'm fine.
Facial reaction. Please don't go. Or so like I need to let it and we have zomangala ukuthi ufakela indaba njani ngoba nama facial reaction
Mina
beka nama facial reaction awazi ngoba waplanila
Mina Mina uthi mina nanini nguphi facial expression.
These are reactions that what I'm saying I need
Which one? I forgot my tripod. At home. No, you're hiding my face. You can't read my face.
wow.
Yes. Got my tripod. But it is what it is. Guys.
And so you know how hard it is to catch chickens nowadays.
No, so catching chickens and they're still slaughtering the cow.
The slaughtering, they just need to take out your part. Nah, the chicken.
They still have to harvest. Really?
You should pass our cat.
Guys, I was little on my eyes. That's my eyes. Uzamanzi abiyayo.
Not one case in the lama picnic wama rainbow.
Thank you. Bachum, 300 grams.
That is very fucking 8 nyana.
3 plates.
Middle stanza. What?
This is supposed to be in the middle.
Oh yes, right. This one we are sharing. For me, Uplomile.
She never left.
No. Hey, why are you my greens?
Mint.
I see mint.
Pasta.
Maybe. This pasta is too long.
So guys, there's this girl, right?
Yo, guys.
She's been moving from table to table.
She didn't pay her bill. They've been trying to get her to leave.
Like she's hopping table to table and waiting to try
And
to
table
make her leave.
with guys, gay. I'm not judging, but I work.
What's up?
Wunzima. Is it nice? The wing.
Lepe. Masbuya ngizokuthenga.
Masbuya.
Ngizandiwa nabo funa. Nayabona ukuthi besicabanga ukuthi ayibhiliyoni. Kanti abophikinini. Ukuthi ukuthi 300 grams Coca-Cola ecan.
A few moments later.
Yeah, these are the shots that make shots seem
Lights. Imbilenki. This one, this will make you vomit. This could make you vomit. Oh yeah, Baba. Yes.
Yeah, but you know, we change them to change. So that
She knows she mustn't do that. I don't know why she does
that.
it.
it's going to be brand new. She's trying. Gucci Proto, Mele Proto, Uso Francesco Proto, Makutila Yafana Mara.
Our fun.
No, we tell you, it would be understandable if you try in every shop you trying their signature cocktail. How much is that on a cocktail?
She always, I know she always tries out Long Island to see how those are.
Kataza, mtani. What are the life we want to live? Can't live life. No, not yet. Something wrong. So most probably she's going to try to close off the vlog tomorrow, but I'm closing it all.
What am I doing? I'm not doing anything else.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. It's been great having you. Please press that button. That button there. That button. Ungawari yena uzobona ukuthi yenza kanjani ngoku-editor. That button there. That button that says subscribe. Put on the bell for me. Ngibona for me. But thanks, yeah. We'll see you on the next one, which will be coming out soon.
You might not see this one.
You might not see this one, but And at the same time, I'll be there in the next one.
Where's my car? No, I can't. I was parked amongst Mercedes Benzes. Yippee. It's in morning, look, cheers. Yo, no. Hi guys. Almost said I hope you guys are well at this time. Anyway, I'm back home now. I came home at I got home around 6:15. Please guys, I started using a different foundation from the one that I was using. I remember I showed you guys I was using Revlon. Now I'm using Catrice and the shame. Hey, the coverage, sweetie. Love it a bit. Anyway, excuse me. Oh, before we get into can I tell you guys that my car got hit? But it's not badly injured, thank God. But the driver of the luckily yes guys, because I came out just in time to see the driver and see the damage. So the driver gave me his number and I took a picture of his number plate and his disc because people are shady, but I trust him, Jim. I'll show you guys tomorrow maybe, but I wanted to close this vlog up today, but I don't know. Sparkling water is life. Anyway, I wanted to wash my car after I got back, but and I'm not about to do that now. So I want to watch some stuff on YouTube. I haven't watched YouTube this week because I've been extremely tired. Sorry, I've been coming back home really tired from work, so I want to watch YouTube. I'm not gonna do skincare today, guys. Can't wait for next month because I'm gonna be up again. Anyway, what was I saying? I want to wash my car, so I'll wash my car tomorrow. Maybe my section and go petrol for M17 for the week. I didn't show you guys my outfits. Please excuse the mess because when I come back, things just. I'm gonna try not to show you the stuff behind me, but I'm wearing this pink set from Jet. I'm wearing it. What size did I get? I got a large, extra large for both the top and the tights, and then I'm wearing my late dad's shirt from, I don't know. It's my dad's shirt. Where's the Coca-Cola? It's somewhere, guys. I don't know. It's my dad's shirt. I was wearing this necklace from Mr. Price. It came with these earrings. I didn't show you my shoes, but I'll insert a picture, full body picture of my complete outfit. I think I'm gonna not wearing lipstick anymore because and lashes. I enjoyed not having lashes on today and I look cute. But this foundation, please, my face, oh mama. Anyway, guys, outside my room. About just like the front opposite. So now after tears, and it's not gonna end. So I'm not routine. Anyway, I just wanted to close off the vlog here. I might end it here actually completely because I don't have anything else to show you. If this is the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little lunch date with my man. I thought we were gonna do more afterwards, but he had a gig, so he had to go do that. So sad, but it's alright. At least I got to see him. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog. I think I'm gonna do a lot more vlogs, honestly, because I'm about to live my best life, guys. I didn't go like grooving a lot during the year, and it's festive and now it's hot, so St. Girls are about to be up, so I might be vlogging a lot more than like doing like sit downs and stuff. But yeah, I really incorporate hauls here and there because I've got my birthday trip in November, so I need to buy clothes for that. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for the 15th time. I'll see you guys in my next one. If this is not the end, it's not the end, but probably will be. Okay, love you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?